In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about how to integrate ActiveCampaign with Shopify. This integration can enhance your ability to streamline marketing tasks and improve your customer engagement effectively. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to make your business run smoother, this step-by-step guide will assist you in creating a seamless connection between these two powerful platforms. To get started, log into your ActiveCampaign dashboard. This is the control center where you manage all your marketing efforts. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the gear icon, which is positioned at the bottom left corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon will open up the settings menu. Within this menu, you'll find a variety of options that allow you to customize your ActiveCampaign experience. Here, you want to select integrations. This is where you'll manage any external apps and platforms you want to connect with your ActiveCampaign account. After opening the integration section, you'll see an option to add an integration. This is your pathway to connect new platforms to your ActiveCampaign account. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be presented with several applications to choose from, but in this instance, your focus will be on Shopify. Click on Shopify from the list, and it will automatically redirect you to the Shopify App Store. Now that you're on the Shopify App Store, it's time to install the ActiveCampaign Marketing app. This app is essential as it acts as the bridge between your Shopify storefront and your ActiveCampaign account. You'll be just a few clicks away from integrating these two services. Click on the Install button to begin the process. Shopify will guide you through the necessary steps to finalize the integration. Follow their prompts. It typically involves granting permissions and ensuring the app can access necessary data on your Shopify store. Once you've gone through Shopify's instructions and the installation is complete, you're all set. Your Shopify store is now integrated with ActiveCampaign. This integration empowers you with enhanced automation capabilities for your marketing, making it possible to seamlessly manage your email campaigns, segment your customer base, and analyze your data more efficiently. By integrating ActiveCampaign with Shopify, you not only optimize your marketing efforts, but also open up a whole suite of tools aimed at increasing your store's revenue and customer satisfaction. This is a simple yet powerful step towards elevating your business operations and enhancing customer relationships. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you found integrating ActiveCampaign with Shopify as straightforward as described. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy marketing!